Beg from the book like. Beg from the book like.
So tell me when you're ready. I'ma speed it up for you just for a second. Just for a second. Then I'ma slow it back down and keep steady.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hello all you boss babes, this is your girl Andrea Nicole and I am back with another video. As you can see, if you have not seen this look, how I did my makeup, seen my lash tutorial, girl, what is you doing? Go ahead and look down in the description box and click on that link, girl. You're missing out. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Come join us over here as, you know, a boss babe, you know, because we bossed up over here. If you ain't bossed up over here, what is you doing, honey? If you are already subscribed to my channel, welcome back, boo. It's always good to see you. And we're going to go ahead and roll on in. So as you already read the title, this is a lace frontal wig unboxing. I ordered this wig from Amazon. It is called RYSSMA. Now the reason why I ordered it off of Amazon is because when I looked on all the major wig websites, it was sold out. This wig is very popular and it was sold out, okay? So I had to go to Amazon and I got it for like $40 or $50, maybe $40. I'll leave all the specs down in the description box per usual. You already know I always leave y'all the links. And yeah, this is RYSSMA. She is an ash blonde lace front wig. She came in this packaging right here and she looks like this. Of course, she comes like all the other wigs come, you know, with the little net around it, and she definitely stinks. Yeah, no denying that. This color is beautiful though. So I'm gonna put the wig on really fast because I'm running out of storage on my phone. I have my cornrows in per usual. I don't put a cap or anything on. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and then I'm gonna put some powder in the parting and then put the wig on and then show you. Ooh. Cute. Okay. Fix this part. Okay, girl. Yes, honey. And I didn't even do anything to this wig. Like, this wig is really like ready, set, go type thing. Feel me? I just cut the lace and put some concealer right there. What? So nice. Let me brush it and I'll be back. I hate when it's giving me baddie vibes. Okay. Like, and it does shed a little bit, as you can see. Not a little bit, a lot. So I did put some powder in the part. The part isn't like straight, which is fine with me. I don't like complete straight parts. But I'm going to use my hot comb just to lay it down a little bit so it's not so lumpy. And that's all I'm gonna do to this wig, because literally this wig is ready, set, go. Okay? Like, I've never ever had a wig that was like literally ready, set, go. Like, it's always something, okay? And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I want it extremely flat. But come on, baby girl, come on. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of spray too, and yeah, we ready to go. We ready to hit the dough, okay? This is the Got To Be spray. I'm just gonna spray the top. My hot comb is turned off. I'm just using that excess heat to kind of go through. RYSSMA. Girl, baby girl. Okay. Yes. Cute. She's not like really long, but she must be like 20. She gotta be like 22, 24 inches. But yes. If y'all like this wig, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And yeah. I'll see you on my next video.